Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have the incredible Bella who we've flown in from LA. She's doing a couple shoots with Peter over the week and we are doing another conceptual kind of thing. So Peter had this idea that he wanted to do a kind of like trashy girl in a little kiddie pool and just make it like totally left of center. So we're just literally out the front of the studio because it's just some industrial area and not really a place that a girl would typically sunbake. Sitting in a pool. So yeah, we're just going to go through the whole shoot and show you a behind the scenes of that.
So today we're doing another conceptual shoot. We flew in this amazing model we found in LA, Bella, and she sort of has that surfy chick look, but we wanted to shoot a really cool swimwear shot with a twist. So Beck ran out yesterday and bought us a couple of pools, except she stuffed up. She bought a dud one and a good one. So with the two pools, we looked at them, but we wanted this to have this surrealness. So a fully grown adult in this pool is so much funnier than an adult in that pool. So that's why we're going with this. Now, Bella, we've got a couple of different outfits that we're not sure what we're going to do. So I was just going to get Bella, she's just tried out the first one. And I just look at it and it just looks boring. Yeah. It's not looking edgy, it's not looking what the... Because yeah, where we're shooting her is just completely wrong. Yeah. So we need her to be wearing completely wrong. So you're gonna try another outfit on and see what we get? Right, cool. Yep. So I think this is the vibe. I think this is way more. I think you've come over near the pink pool. Yeah. Now, there's a reason why I think this is a perfect vibe. Because the orange in this completely clashes with the orange in this, which clash with the blue shoes. And then we've got this silly pink. All of these colours are from different colour families, so they are clashing. So there's no way known in a high-end swimwear shoot you'd ever have all of the, and even the red. The red's a different family to the rest. So yeah, this is what we're going to go. Yes. So this is where we're going to set up because I want this surreal. And I haven't got the model out of here yet, but my gut feeling is the shadow's there. So I'm most likely better shooting somewhere this direction on her. So I'm just going to start off out here with the pool and I'm going to get some water in there and then we'll start setting up the shoot. I'm going to use natural light, but then I'm going to bring in a fill light to control my shadows. All right, so I've set everything up. I've just tethered to my laptop on this. I've got a hood to put over it so I can see the screen. When I'm working commercially or even for doing my stuff, I really, especially on days where the light can be a real problem, I really want a pixel peep to make sure that I've got everything perfect. So when she nails the picture, I know I don't have to worry about I've overexposed on the skin or done something which is going to wreck the picture. So I've got a little pool there. At the moment, I'm just going to start off just with a Hasselblad. My settings on the Hasselblad f8 at 320th of a second at 100 ISO. Do you want to jump in your pool? Yep. Wait, I need a cig, right? A cigarette and, oh no, you can put them near it. Let's do our test shots. We'll light the cigarette once. Let's see, the cigarette packet on the ground near it will be fine. The more clashing colors, the better. So I've just roughly decided where I was going to shoot in the way of the sun is behind Bella. So I'm shooting it so I've got the sun behind her. So she's not going to squint and I'm not going to get too much horrible light in her face. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. That's better. If you lean back too far, I don't think it's as nice because you're getting shading across you. So I'm just going to do a test shot on this. So with my test shot, I'm just checking my exposure. Right, so I'm clipping on the highlights of her skin. So I don't want to come up much. I wish I had one of those. Cool. Just going off on her feet a bit more. There we go. F9, 250, 320. Let's try that. I'm actually seeing quite nicely on the back screen here. So I'm happy with that. I'm 400th of a second at F9. Yep, nothing's going off at all. But at the same time, Bella's very dark in her face. So I could spin around the other way and she'd be light in her face, but then it might be squinty. Do you want to try? Try what? We're going to try 180 degrees. Switch. What's your wine? How's that for squinting? Although if you got your glasses on, it's not going to matter, is it? So let's.
Take the glasses and then I'll take them off and then
Yep.
you'll eat.
So I'm just going to.
Like 5 and 6. I keep spilling water out.
That's all right. I don't care. Follow me around more with your face. Yeah, see, here's the light. This is great light, but it's really squinty now, isn't it? Yeah, it's all right, but the background's crappy.
Yeah. True.
So I'm preferring the background I had, or I come in from here and I throw a flash. Let's go back the other side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bring just a bare bulb, Profoto, battery. What I'm trying to do is fill in the shadows on her face, but with a very harsh light like the sun, so it starts to feel more natural. So it's getting better. Yeah, that pose might be better. Your pose wasn't very nice, but that could be a lot better. That's looking cool. Max power. That's looking heaps better, but now I'm just cooking her legs. So I'm gonna have to use f-stop, not shutter, because the shutter's not gonna turn up and down the flash, only the f-stop's going to. I'm gonna come to f11. So that should turn down the sunlight more than the flash, and it has. That's really cool. Right, that knee's casting a shadow on your, that's better. So either you gotta drop your knee out, that's it, that's really nice. I think I really like that.
Yeah, that's sick.
That's sick.
That's so cool.
That's so cool. Yeah, it's really good.
Really
We've just got to make sure that knee comes down. All right, I'm really, really liking that. Let's set up some of your props. Is that how you want them?
No.
I reckon if you have a cigarette
Yeah.
and
Sitting though, sick, right?
you can sit like that though. Now it comes time that real is the best. So her trying to light a cigarette is the shot. Whereas if we tell her to fake try and light a cigarette, that's not the shot. P.S. We're not condoning cigarettes. Cool. Cool. That's cool. That's really cool. That's cool. Nice. Cool. Cool. That's cool. I love that. Drop that knee over that way a little bit. That's it. It's perfect. Cool. Cool. I like that. That's cool. I like that better. Yeah, loving that. It's so cheap and crappy. I really, really like it. The cheaper this looks, the more I like it. Cool. That's cool. Nice. That's really nice, Belle. Drop that knee down a fraction there. Cool, cool there, beautiful. Again, the knee. Yeah, sorry, it's just there's a shadow on your leg. Yeah. So I'm more looking just at one shadow that's annoying me. That's cool, I like that lots. That's cool. Nice. It's really cool. Cool, that's pretty. It's pretty. Cool, cool, I like that. That's nice, that's really nice. I can't shoot till you hear that beep. Yes, that's nice, keep doing that. Eyes. Cool. That's cool, I love that. Nice, nice. Stop it. Cool. Yeah, a little bit more. I like the, even that, that's, no, that's nice. That, just there, that's a better height. That little bite of your lip, but make it real.
Yeah.
Cool. I can't shoot till I hear that beep, so that's why I'm slow. Cool, I like that lots. That's really cool. Nice. Nice, nice, I like that. Hold. I hate using hold, but until I hear that beep, I haven't got the power on the flash, and you looked amazing, and I didn't want you to lose it. I love it when the cars are coming behind you like this. Cool, that's really cool. It's really pretty. Nice, I like the finger on the glasses, like that, but don't look out the top. I like just the finger like pushing up and chin up a little bit higher and towards the camera. That's it, cool, there. I don't like micro directing, but this shot is there, that's cool. Cool. You got one more pose you think would look cool? That's cool, I like that. Swing it around more to me.
That's fine.
No, yeah, but it's looking really cool. It's not looking crutchy though, because that's cool, that's cool. That's nice, I like that. That's pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. Cool, there. Nice, nice, nice. I'm really lucky with the glasses on.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about your eyes,
Yeah, exactly.
so I can just hold the pose and you're not losing your eyes. I like that too, that's just cool, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. Nice, 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 nice. I'll do a couple more standing and I think we're done. I'm just after the hero shot for the thumbnail.
Yes.
Cool, cool, that's nice, I like that. Cool, I like that lots. I'm just gonna wait longer till you nail the pose. That's cool, I like that, that's there. I reckon we have a look.
Yeah. All right.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, we have heaps more behind the scenes of photo shoots over on Inspire. There will be a link down below for that. And I'll also throw up some other cool videos around my head now.